where you fail and that's the end. No. I will continue to the ends of the earth. Okay, this is just simple distributive property. Before discussing... Okay. That's just distributive property. Beware your surroundings. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Be able to make progress towards some significant conclusion. In this latter transformation, we say that we have factored x squared plus 7x plus 10 equal blah 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 blah. Okay. Wait. Where did the cubed come? Wait. If we apply this axiom to each of the terms on the right side of 4, we see that this equation and that equation, if we substitute these last two results, Interesting. Because in one of the questions, it says to wait. Okay. Equals AB minus B. By factoring, we may replace the left and right sides of the equation by... I gotta use the toilet. Toilet. Oh, whatever, okay. Equations involving unknowns. The study of algebraic transformations as such is not very interesting. It is much like the grammar of a knowledge. These significant uses of these transformations occur in larger investigations, which we shall undertake later. However, a direct use of the processes of algebra does arise in the problem of finding unknown quantities, a problem not without some interest in itself, and one which also arises in the course of broader investigations. A somewhat practical, though by no means vital, example is the following. The radiator of a car contains 10 gallons of liquid, 20% of which is alcohol. The owner wishes to draw off a quantity of liquid and replace it by pure alcohol so that the resulting mixture contains 50% alcohol. How many gallons of liquid should he draw off? Now, the very practical person who refuses to use mathematics can handle this situation very readily. It requires a hefty amount of mass. I recommend this to a first year. Yeah. True. Oh wait, no. Actually, this book is actually used by a lot of colleges. I actually didn't know this. A lot of noobs that don't know jack poop about math, they end up purchasing this book to help them in college. So yeah, could recommend it. Totally. So remember that. This is the title. Okay. He can draw off 5 gallons of the mixture and replace it by 5 gallons of alcohol. Then the mixture will certainly contain at least 50% alcohol, because even the remaining 5 gallons contain some alcohol. However, if the final mixture need contain only 50% alcohol, then the practical person has wasted alcohol and therefore money. If he draws off 4 gallons, 6 gallons will be left. And since 20% of this alcohol, the alcoholic content is 1 to the fraction of 1/5 gallons. If he now adds 1/4 gallons of alcohol, you will have you will have 5 to the 1/5 gallons of alcohol, or more than 50% in the 10 gallons. On the other hand, if he draws off only 3 gallons, time to be quiet, 3 gallons, 20% of the remaining 7 gallons is 7/5 gallons of alcohol. And the addition of 3 more will yield 4 to the fraction of 2/5 gallons of alcohol out of 10, or less than 50%. The correct answer lies somewhere between 3 and 4, but where? Instead of continuing to guess, let's use a little algebra. Let X be the number of gallons of the mixture to be drawn off and to be replaced by an equal amount of pure alcohol. Then the number of gallons remaining of the original mixture is 10 minus X. Of this, 20%, or 1/5, is alcohol. So that of the 10 minus X gallons, or 1/5 times 10 minus X is alcohol. After the X gallons are replaced with pure alcohol, the amount of alcohol in the tank will be will be 1/5 times 10 minus X, close parentheses, plus X. We should like to fix X so that the amount of alcohol should be 50% of 10 gallons, or 5 gallons. Hence we seek the, oh my god, I gotta pee. Oh, I've been holding it way too long. You know what? You can stay, but I gotta use the toilets. BRB, be right back. I'll be back. Oh my god. Whew, my bad. Okay, what? Who sent a message? I mean, I get a bunch of notifications on my phone. I don't know. It's probably just my Discord. That's all I see, my Discord. Is it time for Duolingo? I actually used to have Duolingo. I used to. But I don't feel like learning a language right now. It depends what kind of question. Is it sexual in any content? Is it an educational question? It's probably personal, isn't it? Is it a personal? You know, fuck it, no. Okay, so we're talking about, alright, so at the end of the damn day, we just want the freaking fraction 1/5. That's what we want. 1/5 times 10 minus x, parentheses, which is in parentheses, plus x equals 5. That's what we wanted. So what's the first thing you gotta do? You gotta apply the distributive axiom to start off our transformations and write 1/5 times 10 minus 1/5 times x plus x equals 5. The terms negative 1/5 x plus x or x minus 1/5 x amounts to 4 over 5x. Wait a minute, why would it... I always got confused with that. Why does it amount to 4 over 5? I swear I heard something. Oops, I'm hearing shit. I'm hearing stuff. This is gonna take me a while to figure out. I'm still not getting it. Where does the 4 come from? I wonder if I want to try something. Maybe I'm just dumb. Wow, I really am studying at this point. Holy crap. I didn't think I was actually going to study. I haven't done math in the longest time writtenly. I really read math, I actually do it. That's odd. Wait. Hey, let's move this shit. Actually, no, I don't plan on modding anybody. As much as I would, I don't want to mod anybody. I mean, I don't think I need to mod anybody. I'll only mod somebody if I think I need it. And right, this still seems a bit off. And right now, I think I can still handle it. Maybe in the future. Maybe. But for right now, it's whatever. Not necessary. But I actually was thinking about this the other day, and I'm just like, yeah, no mod.